What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a rotted fence post and set a new one. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so here is our rotten fence post. And what we are going to do is, if you still have both sides of the fence connected to the post, you're going to have to disconnect this. Either you're going to have to cut it with a Sawzall, or unscrew it, or pry out the nails. And you're going to need to support these two 2x4s right here by like a stake in the ground, like a pole, and attach to these to hold up both sides of the fence if you're just replacing the post. But chances are, if you're replacing the post, you're going to have to work on the rest of the fence too. So alright, let's get taking apart the fence. Okay, now once you got it all disconnected, we can go ahead and wiggle and remove the old rotted out post. If your post is stuck, I've got a more in-depth video on how to remove stubborn posts. Check that out. Alright, now we're going to want to dig out our hole, or our new hole. You're going to want the depth 1/4 to 1/3 of the total length of the post. So an 8-foot post, you'd want it about 2.5 feet deep. Alright, so if you've got to dig a deep hole, get yourself one of these. This is a clamshell post hole digger. This will help to really dig down deep. It just takes out about as much as the post size is. So you can go really deep, fast. So you can either dig down the post for the height you want it, or you can just cut the top off after. Alright, so you've got your big old deep hole dug. Before we set the post in the hole, what I like to use is some old broken up concrete to get rid of it. Or you can get a bag of gravel and you're going to pour it into the bottom. This is just going to provide drainage, water drainage for it, so the water just doesn't sit at the bottom and rot the bottom of the post. We're not going to be using concrete on this because I set it down so low. Plus, I don't believe you need concrete. I think it rots it faster unless you're setting something heavy on it like a gate. Then I usually put a bag of concrete. So I'm just going to put some gravel and rocks down there. Then we'll drop our new post in there and we'll use it to tamp down that gravel and rocks. Get real tight. Alright, so we'll drop the post in our new hole. Now you're going to want to line it up. We're going to make sure it's right in the middle between both posts. Then I went ahead and put a screw in one of the posts I already set, and we're going to attach a string to it. Then we can pull that string taut and we'll be able to line up the post with it. So see, I need to come bring this post way out here, and we can also check the height of it as well. Alright, so I got the string up, and it's a little tall, so instead of getting it perfect, trying to get it perfect, I'm just going to mark it right here, and then I'll just cut this top piece off so it'll be even with both sides. Alright, now once we've got it all lined up, if you can, grab a friend to have them hold it, and it'll make things a lot easier. So now what we're going to do is start backfilling it. I'm actually going to throw a couple pieces of concrete in there just to help stabilize it while I'm backfilling it. Now we're going to backfill it all the way to the top. And while you're doing it, you're going to want to get, actually you just use the end of your shovel upside down. And you're going to go like this to tamp it down, so we can get that dirt really tight. Alright, then we're going to want to take a level, make sure it's perfectly level, and you're going to want to check both sides. There we go. Whew, took some doing, but I finally got it all packed down. If you can, what you're going to want to do is pack the sides taller so that the water runs off like this all the way around it. That'll keep it lasting longer too. Alright guys, now you're just going to want to put your rails on. I got a video on how to do that too, but that's how to replace the post, guys. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and click the subscribe for me and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.